During the dark days of World War II, a small Norwegian fishing village became a beacon of hope and defiance. In 1942, as Nazi forces occupied Norway and confiscated all radios, the villagers faced a dire information blackout. But instead of succumbing to despair, they embarked on a daring mission to keep the spirit of resistance alive. With a single hidden typewriter, they created the Viking Post, an underground newspaper that became a lifeline for many. Volunteers, risking their lives, painstakingly typed and hand-copied each edition, spreading crucial Allied news and survival tips across the region. Despite relentless Gestapo efforts to uncover the source, the paper continued for 3 years, its contributors never captured. This remarkable act of courage and unity stands as a testament to the indomitable human spirit in the face of tyranny.